Try to enjoy. Damn, that was close. It's cold. Shit. Oof. So yeah, hi. I mean my roommates and myself, we came to PCMC to have this brotha of Shawarma King, and now yeah, we are going back to our place. This place is quite famous actually, guys. It's pretty much famous in Pune, and they serve an amazing
सुल्तान अबे रुक
wow, no comments.
क्या कर रहा है अबे क्या अबे लगता है बे अबे लग रहा है छोड़ अबे क्या बोलते हैं
Put a left side, like? Dun 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 dun. So yeah, it's my roommate with me. So yeah, talking about Shawarma King, they serve pretty amazing chicken and I mean veg and non-veg stuff. So yeah, you can visit them. I'll add the location, or I'll share with you the exact name and the place. So yeah, right now we are going to have some good coffee, and then we'll head back. Bye bye. Go. So yeah, we are
सही टाइम पे सही बंदा मिला भाई
damn, let's go. So we are currently in Akurdi. It's Friday night. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? So yeah, we had brotha. I don't know. This is the third time I'm telling you guys, I guess. But yeah, it was freaking good. And it's time to head back to the home. And probably I'll watch some good movie now. Cause कल Saturday है और अपन मजा करेंगे.
हवन करेंगे हवन करेंगे हवन करेंगे
Let's look left side. This is the DYP, University of Architecture. What the So yeah, last year I used to roam in this area quite a lot, cause I loved the vibe of this particular area. Hence I used to come here more often than usual. I wish Hinjawadi was this good, man. I really wish. Review of Camp Burger. To be honest, we didn't had anything cause of wow, oh my god, MH14, dude. So we went to the Camp Burger and the crowd was so huge that it would have taken an hour for our number to come. So we just skipped that plan and we went elsewhere, and I was not able to record it due to the battery issue. I'm thinking of buying a backup battery now, cause this battery drains pretty quick यार. 40-50 मिनट का कंटेंट शूट करते ही it reaches till 20%. Well, it's getting pretty cold now. It's bearable though, but yeah, anyways, I enjoy cold weather, so I don't mind. I mean, I won't mind if the temperature falls more, cause look at yes, content. Who is sitting behind me and he's listening to songs, cause I'm busy in recording this video. I guess he's singing some sort of a song. I can hear him. Noise. Shall we sing a song as well?
अबे साले तभी
Okay, which one, man? Which one to choose? Whew. Let's go with Night Changes. It will never change. Everything that you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. There's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It will never change, baby. It will never change, me and you.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
I like to be low key. I love to stay in the environment which has low drama and more fun part. Damn, I might open the visor. To what? Keep on falling when it hurts. Going faster than a million miles in an hour. Moving in reverse with nowhere. Down to earth. I'm not a person, but the world still turns. Do you ever guys feel like with my case, I always wait for Friday, but when Friday comes, I literally have no plans, and then Saturday Sunday arrives and again I have no plans, and I feel like जो वीकडेज चल रहे थे वही अच्छे थे यार.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
At least you are pretty occupied in your work. Weekends I mean, people might be enjoying their weekends, but for me, I rarely make plans. Cause the thing is, I genuinely have low-key 6 to 7 friends, and yeah, max 7 friends, and out of those 7, 4 of them are in my flat itself, so 3. So yeah, there are 3 remaining. उन 3 में से 1 is in Pune, I guess. Yeah, 1 is in Pune and 2 of them are out of Pune. So you see, the plans are pretty rare event for me. So yeah, I usually spend my time either learning something new, like currently I'm learning this language called Swift. So what is Swift? Basically, Swift is used in iOS development. the apps which you see on Apple devices, those are made using Swift. So yeah, I'm learning that currently, and some of my time goes into editing as well, and sometimes I play Valorant with my buddies, and the remaining free time I get, I utilize it in either going to a ride or watching a good series or a movie. So you see, I'm trying to avoid the fake humans, to be honest. It's better to enjoy it's better to enjoy. Damn, that was close. Why are people going? That was close though. So yeah, what I was saying was ki I try to avoid human beings now. It's better to keep yourself occupied in some resourceful things rather than wasting times on humans which don't even care about. I know they won't care about you, but they don't care about your time as well. So yeah, it's fine, it's all good. Peace. So yeah, those two were, not where they are my roommates. No, my bad. So basically you guys might be thinking, are these bastards going through long lane? But no guys, this is a one-way area. It's just that it's 11 o'clock, that's why people are breaking the rules, but we are not, we are following it. तो उसके लिए एक लाइक तो बनता है यार. Come on, hit it, hit me daddy. Hit me daddy Pikachu. Okay, done. I'm not going to seduce myself with these things. Oh damn, it's cold. Shit. Whew. Wow, hand gloves, lovely. So yeah, even now I have a content in my head. I'm thinking of doing the review of my Hunter, where I'll tell you guys the pros and cons of owning a Hunter. Like I have been using this bike since last 1.5 years, and I feel like I'm on a comfortable position to let you know what are the pros and cons. So yeah, maybe I'll drop one or two videos on this particular segment. Let me know if it's a good idea. So yeah, chalo. Anyways, I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos. Please let me know if any of you have any good suggestions. And yeah, take care guys, stay healthy, see you, bye, tata. वाट लागली. हुई गो. हे काय चालू आहे की अजून? यो शिवाय घालायला आहे. हा तिथं काय वेगळं दिसणार होतास काय तू? इथं पण तसंच दिसणारच ना.
तुला काय कंटेंट भेटला.
अरे मोठं ब्लॉगिंग आहे भाऊ, खातेला कसं घेणार? पण तू शिवाय घालतेला मी टाकणार आहे भाऊ आता.
काय शिवाय घातल्या नाही, काय शिवाय घातल्या
सगळं ऐकू गेलं इकडं.